First tonight at 10, we are just hours away from Amendment 3 going into effect, but the status of abortion rights in Missouri is still unclear as a legal battle in Jackson County is still ongoing. KSHB 41 News reporter Isabella Ladon picks up her coverage from last night with the latest on the case currently in front of a Jackson County judge.
After a longer than expected day in court on Wednesday, Planned Parenthood was confident things would move quick enough to start up operations on Friday. But we're now seeing how the state is reacting. They haven't submitted the response filings, so the judge hasn't made any decision.
The status of abortions in Missouri is at a standstill until a Jackson County judge rules on Planned Parenthood's preliminary injunction. It could take a day, weeks, or even months. Planned Parenthood hoped it would have been decided by December 6.
We anticipate that as early as possible, including this Friday if we're able to do so, we will have abortion access restored in Kansas City, Columbia, and St. Louis.
Amendment 3 is going into effect, but there are statutes known as trap laws that are roadblocks in its path. These are Missouri laws that have been in place for years, essentially blocking abortion operations and therefore what voters passed in November.
They don't make Missourians healthier or safer.
The state does intend to continue to enforce all of the abortion restrictions that are on the books, and so we do need the court to act before we can actually provide abortions again.
The Missouri Attorney General's office says they want to protect those statutes by opposing Planned Parenthood's preliminary injunction and go straight to trial.
These laws are justified. These laws are necessary. We're going to look at everything we can. Obviously, we hope to prevail at trial. We're going to take everything through appeals and fight this all the way.
Court proceedings are rarely wrapped up in a day because both parties have the chance to respond to each other's filings within 10 days. The judge has to allow for all responses before making a final decision.
Under the amendment that passed in early November, there's an affirmative right to childbirth, and Planned Parenthood is entirely ignoring half of the amendment.
We do expect to see an appeal from the state about whether this case is heard in Cole County or Jackson County. Missouri leaders wanted this case to go before a Cole County judge, but a Jackson County judge said no.
Well, did the state's attorneys say why they wanted it to go in front of Cole County?
They explained that it makes more sense if it does go to a potential trial because the witnesses and experts involved in this are all located in Cole County, so it makes more sense for them. But before this motion was filed to transfer venues, it does come after a Cole County judge had ruled that Amendment 3 would be knocked off the November ballot earlier this year.
All right, still a lot more to come. We will be following it closely. Isabella, thank you.